honorable chief guest and respected sir and my dear friends, good evening to all of you. Myself Aliza here, and today I got a golden opportunity to express my view on the topic social and economic rights in our constitution. We all know that social and economic rights in our constitution includes international human rights, fundamental rights and the basic rights which are necessary for humans. You all know that social and economic rights are just important as the political and civil rights. These rights ensure that every people of India, every citizen of India should get their rights and basic needs and services that are made for us, like clean water, housing, education, adequate health care. Without these rights, people cannot live with dignity and security in our society. And these rights are protected by the government. As the citizen of India, we are so lucky that we have got the opportunity to enjoy these rights and rules. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Eliza, for your nice and confident speech. Really, you may be a good lawyer in future because the way you are speaking was very good, very excellent, very praiseworthy. Keep studying like this and never lose heart. There is a quotation in English, defeat your defeat before the defeat defeats you. It means that never have negative thinking. Always be positive